Morning comes to Livorno harbor, ships arrive beneath the sun. Fishing boats and working waters, another Tuscan day is begun. Old canals in Venezia Nuova, fortress standing by the shore. Sea breeze carries whispered stories of merchant sailors years before. From Livorno to Pisa skies, where the leaning tower still defies. Time and gravity side by side, in the heart of Italy's pride. Oh, Toscana, sing to me, from the harbor to history. Every room, every memory, feels like part of destiny. White stone shining leaves the morning, church bells ring across the square. Galileo city dreaming, ancient beauty everywhere. Then through pine trees, quiet shadows, Camp Darby standing strong and still. History meets the modern world now, between the sea and Tuscan hills. Soldiers, sailors, dreamers, travelers, walking roads both old and new. Italy keeps every story waiting there for me and you.
From Livorno to Pisa skies, underneath those endless entire lives. From Ottawa to history's flame, every journey calls your name.
Oh, Toscana, stay with me, land of beauty by the sea. Some places fade when journeys end, but Italy calls you back again. Arrivederci.